Smart meters spying on you in 2026, every appliance a snitch. Is your 2026 smart meter turning every appliance into a government snitch? They're tracking your habits 24/7 and radiating you. Stick with me, this is invasion in your walls. Hey truth seekers, before we dive into today's expose, hit that like button. It takes 5 seconds and fuels our fight to question everything. Not subscribed? Join the Q Everything crew and tap the bell for raw, unfiltered truths. Stick with us to the end, I promise it's worth your time. Let's expose the spy. X is flooded with smart meter bills doubling overnight. Utilities admit real-time monitoring of every device. A leaked PG&E contract with NSA-linked Palantir confirms data sold to third parties. Here's the snitch network. Your fridge, TV, even toaster reports usage patterns, building a behavior profile. A whistleblower text says AI flags non-compliant homes for higher rates or shutoffs. Connect the dots, same meters emit pulsed radiation 10,000 times stronger than cell phones. 2025 health studies link them to sleep disruption, headaches, even cancer clusters. Think it's for efficiency? Wrong. Leaked emails brag about demand response control, remote throttling during climate emergencies. Skeptical? Ex-users post FOIA docs, data shared with insurers, your rates rise if you cook at wrong times. Why does this matter? They know when you sleep, eat, watch TV, total home surveillance. Your family radiated for profit. What can you do? 4 steps. Demand analog meter swap, legal in most states. Shield existing meter with Faraday fabric. Post your bill spikes on X, tag utilities. Share this video. Refuse the grid spy. This is a snitch in every home. That's the truth they're hiding, but we're not done yet. If this hit you hard, smash that like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Q Everything. Tap the bell to stay in the fight for truth. Drop a comment, what's the biggest lie you're questioning?